You point it.
One.
So, that one.
One.
No, the next on the right of bananas. Why you're there na? You're not yet finished at the up.
That is 9 bananas naman.
Oh, this one pa, oh. What is that ba?
I don't know. I think that's a bush.
Yeah, it's a bush. You're very good.
That's a bush pala.
That's a bush pala.
It's
Yes.
a bush.
Yes. Oh, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Okay.
It's 5 bushes.
Great job.
Let's look like a pentagon.
Looks like a pentagon again. It's not circle. What next? The birds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bukas na tayo mag-fried chicken, busin natin tong isda. Ha?
Basta sabi sopas.
Oo, so
Okay. Oh, next. What's that? What's next?
That's a cloud. A dark cloud for the rain to
Okay.
come.
Okay. Go count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's 6.
Okay. What's that?
It's an apple.
What happened?
It cracked.
It cracked? Who ate the apples?
I think it's the girl and the boys.
I wonder. Go, count it na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8!
Great job. Galing mo.
Is that a circle?
No. You erase it. You clean it. Dali. Okay, fix the circle. Oh. Good job. Okay. So that it doesn't look like a ghost, right? Okay. Fix the circle na. Ay! Yucky! Tatay tissue. Kadiri to. Excuse me.
cover your mouth kasi boyo, kung
Wow, good
di ba
job.
dumidikit may
Eh, ano mo nga?
higan eh.
May
Yung damit
lagot.
niya, yuck.
Yeah.
Yung damit niya meron.
You answer.
Oh. His answer is correct, tatay. Kaya lang yung circle.
Okay. Circle properly kasi slowly lang. And draw a nice circle.
Okay, good job. Let's clean na.
Draw na, okay na.
Draw na.
Wait, I can see a ghost.
You want I help you?
Wait.
Wala nang carrots on yun eh.
Oo. Okay.
Wait, that's a bee
Looks-
pala.
Looks like a duck eh.